Belfast Building and Roofing offers you a wide range of services.
Okay, this is Thompson's in Belfast, which is obviously commercial. You know, there's quite a lot of money involved in here, but this is interesting. If you've got a flat roof, even an extension or something in your house, and you're thinking of turning it into a balcony, or you want to walk on it, this is quite simple to understand, because basically we prepared the roof, we put the liner in, we put the butyl in and the flashings in that there, which most people wouldn't really need. Then we installed the Kingspan, and after that it was just natural stone pavers, which obviously people can walk on, you know, so it's a good economical solution for if you got a roof and you want to walk on or whatever, you know, and you're transferring the money from a Kingspan underneath to up above. And it also looks the part. So anyway, it's something maybe worth thinking about in a domestic situation. Anyway, this is James G signing out. Till the next time, bye for now.
So, if it's simple repairs or your dream home improvements, go to Belfast Building and Roofing at www.jgm-ni.com or call James on 02890 160 472 to book your free survey now. Belfast Building and Roofing. Real savings, real comfort.